Morning everyone, we're in John's charming workshop where he has every single tool known to man and some probably not known to man. And the reason we're here today is that John has been refurbishing the glass on our Woodburner, which was broken due to the previous owner of the house having put a log that was in too big, which fell and broke the glass. So dead easy, take the old glass out, replace with the new glass. Not quite so easy because, as we found out, when you're taking the screws that hold the glass in place, the heads had been got at by somebody before us and were totally threaded, and also that the screws, which fit into the screw holes like that, were stuck in and seized, and we had to soak them overnight in WD-40. So anyway, John is brilliant, managed to get that out. And then we used the old glass as a template for the new glass, and we've cut that to size.
Lay your glass on top of the new one.
Fabulous.
Or take it to the glass shop and I'll cut it for you.
Right, and now we're about to put it all back in, and while we do that, we're also going to replace the inner rope. The outside one is actually in good nick,
glass rope. But
we're going to put the inner rope which goes round the glass because, again, the person who was at it beforehand never bothered to put it all the way round.
It's missing a piece.
So we're going to do that.
We measure the diameter, it's 8mm, and we go off to the local DIY shop and get a new rope, 8mm, and we put it in.
Fantastic. Thanks, John.
Ta-da.
Ta-da. Thank you.